Spread butter on a candle, and the results will surprise you. Start with a tall candle in any color. Coat it with a thin, even layer of butter using your fingers, a knife, or a brush. Next, take a wide dish and fill it with white sugar. Roll the candle in the sugar, making sure it sticks to all sides. And you're done. Your candle now has a frosty, snowy appearance. It's an easy way to transform a plain candle, perfect for winter and holiday decorations. A real orange candle. You must have it in your home. Start by cutting a large orange in half. Empty the inside, leaving the outer peel intact. It's important to leave the white stem in the bottom half. In the top part, make a medium-sized hole. Oranges have many uses, from the kitchen to cosmetics and everyday household tasks. Their strong scent comes from essential oils, which refresh and have antibacterial properties. Now take olive oil and pour it into the empty orange peel, leaving some space at the top. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Not only will it fill the space with a pleasant aroma, but it can also help repel mosquitoes and other insects. Once everything is ready, carefully light the white stem. It will serve as the wick. The warm candlelight and the rising scent will create a unique atmosphere. Finally, place the top half of the orange with the hole over the lit candle. The natural shade will gently diffuse the light and scent. This finished orange candle is a beautiful decoration and a practical solution in one. Don't throw away citrus peels. I'll show you how to use them for an amazing purpose. You'll be grateful for this. You'll need various citrus fruits such as lemons, limes, mandarins, and oranges. They're packed with nutrients, including vitamins, especially vitamin C, minerals, and flavonoids with powerful antioxidant properties. When peeling the fruits, don't discard the peels. Carefully remove as much of the white part as possible so the peels are clean. Lay them out on a radiator and leave them to dry overnight or all day. The peels, thanks to their natural essential oils, help fight bacteria and reduce inflammation. Once they are dry enough, you can start preparing the magic mixture. Place all the peels in a blender with a few slices of fresh ginger root and blend everything into a fine powder. Transfer it to a jar. Now, just add 1 teaspoon of the powder to hot water and let it steep. This delicious tea, rich in vitamin C, is great for boosting your immune system, and the peels contain fiber and compounds that support digestive health. Use this mix daily, and you'll thank me later. This drink is my favorite in winter. Few people know that spruce needles are a source of health. They support the immune system, especially when there are more upper respiratory infections in winter. A spruce needle drink can help with coughs, throat inflammation, and even bronchitis. The basis of such a beverage is clean spruce branches. You can even use branches from a Christmas tree, as long as there are still needles on them. Cut them into small pieces. Throw a few small Christmas tree twigs into a glass. Pour boiling water halfway. Let it steep for 5 minutes. After that, add dried apple slices, orange peel, and lemon. Pour boiling water again. This spruce tea tastes wonderful. It clears the respiratory tract and has antibacterial properties. You can drink it every day. Bury tea bags in your garden, and you'll be surprised by the results. You don't have to throw them away. Even used tea bags are too valuable. It's no secret that tea is an excellent fertilizer. The tannin in tea leaves has a positive effect on the soil and helps combat and repel various pests. Ants, moles, and even cats dislike the smell of many teas. Tea leaves greatly enrich the soil because they contain tannic acid. As they decompose in the ground, tea leaves enrich it with various nutrients. If you add tea bags to your compost, they will significantly speed up the decomposition of all the waste in it. Tea bags also retain water in the soil, helping flowers better withstand drought and heat. Tea leaves have antifungal properties, preventing the growth of mold and fungi in the soil or in pots. Lastly, an amazing benefit of using tea bags is the prevention of weed growth. Here's my secret for streak-free, shiny windows. The tannins act as a natural cleaner, removing grease and dirt. Grab a cup and a tea bag, make sure it's black tea. Pour hot water into the cup, filling it halfway. Let the tea steep for about 10 minutes. Then, take a spray bottle and funnel. Remove the tea bag and pour the tea into the spray bottle. Add freshly squeezed juice from half a lemon, which works as a degreaser and antibacterial agent. Fill the rest of the bottle with water, and your mixture is ready. Spray it on your windows and wipe with a microfiber cloth, making sure to cover all areas. After this trick, you'll get amazing results. This affordable homemade window cleaner will leave your windows sparkling clean. Remember, by brewing strong black tea and using it as a cleaning solution, you can achieve streak-free, shiny windows. Tea will clean your floors. This trick will leave you with shiny, spotless floors you could eat off of. Your floor will finally shine like a mirror. Start by making tea. Prepare it as usual, but use 3 bags of black tea. Drop them into a cup and pour boiling water over them. Wait for it to cool. Then, pour water into a bucket and add the prepared tea. Now grab your mop and clean the floor. This trick will make the surface cleaner than ever. Wash every room like this, and your floors will shine without any chemicals. You won't see a single streak. Don't throw away citrus peels. What I'll show you will surprise you. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support health in various ways. Instead of tossing the peels after eating, save them. Cut them into small pieces and place them in small bowls. Put these bowls on your radiators. As the radiator heats up, the warmth releases a fragrant citrus scent that fills the room with freshness. You can also place the peels directly on the radiator without a bowl. Just lay them peel side down. But this trick has another benefit. It's also a great way to combat dry air in your room. The moisture and natural juices evaporating from the peels help humidify the air. This simple method reuses kitchen scraps while creating a cozy, pleasant atmosphere in your home. You'll never throw away an orange peel again. Grab a few oranges. Their peel has valuable properties. Orange peels contain natural oils used in various products. Peel the oranges and save the skins. Next, take a medium-sized jar and place the peels inside. The next key ingredient is vinegar, which has natural properties. Pour enough vinegar to fully cover the peels and seal the jar tightly. Store the jar in a dark place for 2 weeks. Over time, the mixture will blend perfectly, leaving a pleasant citrus scent. After that, pour the liquid into a spray bottle, and you're ready to use it. This natural mixture is antibacterial and perfect for cleaning surfaces like windows and shower doors, leaving them shiny and streak-free without any harsh chemicals.